Let's crochet graduation cap, beginner friendly and quick to make. We'll start with the base, shape the top and finish with the tassel. Start with the magic ring and make 8 single crochets inside. Pull the ring tight and place your marker in the last stitch. Round 2. Make increase in every stitch around. 2 single crochets in every stitch. You should have 16 stitches total. Round 3. Now work in the back loops only. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 4. Continue with 1 single crochet in each stitch. Make slip stitch, fasten off and weave in the ends. Now go back to round 2 and work into the front loops. Join your yarn and make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now for the corner, 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Repeat that pattern 3 times. 3 single crochet in one stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now again corner, and 3 single crochets. Finish with your last corner 3 single crochets in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the end. In the final round, we'll shape in the corners. Make 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches. Now in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet. That's your corner. Then make 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. Repeat that 3 times. Corner, 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet. Now 5 single crochets. Again corner, and 5 single crochets. Make the last corner, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. Then finish with single crochet to the end. Make a slip stitch, fasten off and weave in the end. Your cup is ready, let's make a tassel. Take about 20 inches of yarn. I'm using 4 strands. Fold it in half. Place it over your finger and start twisting clockwise until it feels tight. Now fold it in half again. It will twist into a cord by itself. Tie a knot at the end. Attach it to the top of the cup. Adjust the length and trim. This tiny graduation cup is perfect for your amigurumi, such a cute little detail. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for crocheting with me today. See you in the next video.